Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're actually gonna do exploration. We're gonna visit what's it called in English? God damn it, I should be more prepared. Tank range? Anyway, you're gonna go there and see. Okay, I'm gonna be better at this. Okay, I will figure it out. I'm not professional yet, but I will be. Watch me. Eventually. So, as you can see, not the best light. Sorry for that. But as you can see, this way is better. There you go. I've taken on an outfit that will insecure my, so I don't get cold, because it was literally sun, 10 Celsius, warm weather, as warm as I was almost cleaning up my winter shoes and putting them away for good, because I thought summer was coming, because global warming is real and it get hotter, and I like hot weather. I don't like global warming, no. I don't want to have that on me, but I do like it being warm in February, you know what I'm saying? But it's March. It's March. Anyway, it doesn't matter that much. Anyway, I didn't, thank God, because tonight it snowed. But I'm gonna show you guys in a second, because I live in the 3rd floor, so I can't really, you know what? I can show you anyway. Let's see. Okay. Here we go. You see that? But yeah, it's snow outside. So, therefore, oh my God, the light. There we go. So, therefore, I need to wear this sweater. So yeah, I don't really like, Norway is one of the best countries to live in. Like, I swear to God, we have so many benefits from living in this country, being free and liberal and blah blah blah. Biggest gay parade is here. There's free healthcare, education. There's so many perks of living in Norway, but all those perks, having snow for 2/3 of the year, I kind of want to move out of Norway. And I have no reason, I literally have no other reason than it's being too cold here. It might be my Colombian being coming out. I don't know what it is. Maybe I should go back to Colombia and experience some truth about the world or something. But the thing is, it's too damn cold here. I'm not built for this weather. Even though I grew up here and I've been here my whole life, I still don't think I was built for this weather, you know? It's just me. So, yes, I need to wear this crazy ass sweater that is warm as fuck when you wear it inside. But you gotta have it. You gotta wear it, because you know you're gonna go outside, you're gonna spend some time outside, so. And then, the biggest jacket on the market. Nah, man. Norway ain't for me. And then I should have gone. I haven't been to the hair salon, for probably a little over half a year. So I need to go. It's about that time, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need to go. So I'm gonna go and get my hair done, and then probably buy like some products, because right now it's pretty flat after a shower. So that's why we wear this, okay? No other reason. And then we need our backpack with the gear, of course, GoPro battery, everything that we need for this trip, and water. There we go. It works. I'm just bringing it. Do I need to bring anything else? on. Alright, now we're ready. Now we're go time. Now we are maybe ready. Alright, so as I went to the car, I just realized that I was dissing my own sweater, and that was not it. I've owned this sweater for so long. I think I bought it when I was in high school. Yeah, definitely. I used it in high school. I remember that. But it's just the fact, I think I'm sad. I'm sad to realize that it's still 1 or 2 months left of maybe 3 months, you never know in Norway, of winter. I don't want to be wearing, I want summer. I want it so bad. I like summer so much more because it's so much easier to do everything. And you also can go outside without even thinking about what you wear. You just wear what the fuck you want. But during winter, and especially in Norway and being so cold as it is, you kind of fucking plan what you're gonna wear and stuff. I hate it. I hate it. Hate it with a passion. But not gonna lie though, some of the winter outfits are kind of fire. So low key, maybe it's just me that needs to be more positive. You know what I'm saying? So let's do that. Anyway, we're gonna be driving for 45 minutes now. So I'm not gonna be filming the whole way, but I will get some road trips. No, road clips. There we go. So you guys can have an idea of where it is. And also, if you search it up, it's not hard to find this place. It's not, yeah, anyway. Alright, so we are here. Just parked the car. And where the fuck? Here we go. Gonna make sure the car is not in the shot because of my license plate. Alright. It's a very dark story. I'm not gonna lie. I read it. I think it was like 2 weeks ago that I read about this place that is 194 victims that got killed here. And if you are interested in this specific spot, you should go check it out yourself or search about it because it's pretty cool. Because the whole thing is from the war and it's like a tank shooting range, I think, if I correctly. I might be wrong. Don't quote me on anything. So this is like a place that is not no disturbance allowed. It's, what does it even say? Probably should check that before I go in, right? This is a protected cultural heritage. No. This is a protected cultural heritage. That's what I said. Let's go inside. Oh my god. And for those who noticed that when I filmed outside the window and I told you guys it was like snow and stuff, well, it is more here. It does look very restricted, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna cross this fence. The only bad thing about this, no, I mean, it's a great thing. It is a military protected spot. But since I think it's public, damn, this is so cool. Let me show you guys. Oh, Now this is way cool to get yourself to understand how huge this is. Small me, I'm not that short. I'm very short. This tall as thing. I am actually very short. I'm like 160, maybe 160 centimeters. On a good day, on a shorter day, I'm 158 in my passport, okay? But I feel like I've grown. Ooh. Look at this cozy little nook. Oh, wonder what this is for. Looks crazy though. Moving on. It's like, I don't know what this is. See those poles? Those are quite fresh. It's either a small dog or a fox. I'll bet you that much. Foxes aren't really scary to humans though. It's that good. They're very skittish. Oh my gosh, my hair. This is so cool though. Oh, another one. What are these? Ooh. There's some names up here. Written into the wall. Way cool. Let's continue. So if you're ever wondering what I'm doing on my spare time, this is it. Go check out cool spots. Or creepy spots. Or just in general, exploring. I think I should do more videos about that, because if I do it often, why the hell not just bring my camera? You know what I'm saying? This is huge stuff. Holy shit. Oh. I actually think that I need to get my light out for you guys. Let me just put you guys down there for a second. You got to be kidding me. Well, I forgot the light. But I do have this light, so I guess this works as well. I can shine it on myself. I should probably. There you go. All right. Can you guys even see this? This is gonna bother me. Ooh. Okay. So you can see all these things, and then you have to walk on this. This is cool though. I wonder what's the purpose of this. This was all built in, I don't remember. I'm gonna do my history check, to be fair. I mean, it's a wee bit sketchy, isn't it? Just some random burnt logs here. What's the purpose? Huge ass tree. Look at this, though. It's huge. Oh, the outdoors. Because this has fallen off, probably. Oh, I don't need my light here. Huh. So this is just filled in, or is this the end? Don't quite understand. This is sick, though. It's so sick that we still have like these old monuments after the war. Like, it tells a lot of history. You just know that there's a lot going on here. And since there's so many people that have died on this place, and a horrible death as well, these walls, if they can speak, is so huge. I don't know if you can see it, but I feel so fucking small. I feel so small. Ooh. You guys almost fell. Oh. So yeah, I feel a little bit small. There we go. Put this in place again. There's like a room here too. Now this looks creepy, not gonna lie. Just checking if there's people outside. I'm more scared, as I said in an earlier video that has not come out yet, but I'm gonna put it out soon. I'm just waiting, a little bit debating with myself if I want that on the internet or not. But yeah, I'm more afraid of people than I am of ghosts. There, I said it. Oh, it's a small room. Let's see. A lot of sticks here. What the fuck was that? Why are there so many perfectly rounded rocks? I don't think this is the door? So you were supposed to be in here. You weren't supposed to get in here. I don't think so. But some people have been in here. Interesting. But can somebody explain to me why it's so many perfectly rounded rocks? Like, they're not smooth, but they're like very round. You see that? Ooh, what a bug's nation is that? Ew, disgusting. I don't like bugs. Perfectly rounded rocks. No, hell no. Interesting. Well, what is this? Small people trash. What the fuck? I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit creepy with the perfectly rounded rocks. I don't know what the deal is with that. I don't know if you guys can hear me very well either. What the fuck is that? Some pretty rocks though. Normally, I used to bring stuff from when I went out exploring and stuff like that. But lately I've been exploring a little bit more drastic places. And when you... I've learned that it might be bad juju to take something from a place that possibly can be haunted. So yeah, that's something I've learned. I still got like a screw or something that I found on the ground of an abandoned place that I was at, and I saw something in my apartment that I didn't want to see, so I gotta take that shit more seriously. But let's see if we can get on the upside here. See if we can get on top of this thing and look down. Let's see. Which one first? This one probably. I mean, you live, you learn. That's what I've realized. You live, you learn. Oi, 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 it's slippery here. It's very steep. Yeah, I was just gonna hold on to something. Alright, I might need to. Ew. Every time I go up this place and places that are steep, I just realized that it's 10x more difficult to get down. Almost slipped. All right. This might have been a bad idea. All right. So we're gonna use the trees. So I don't know, the camera angle will be bad, but I need to use the trees to stamp on. Look at this. This looks solid. Let's see. This is not as easy as it looks. How the fuck did people get up here? Maybe they haven't, for a reason. Next time, bring my mountain shoes, that's for sure. Alright. What? Oh. Oh. My bad. It might have been the other side you were supposed to go up on. You can even see there's like a track going up. My bad. I went up this side. Ew. Now we're high up. Yeah. Every time I stand on the edge, you get this sudden feeling that you want to jump off, but you're never gonna do it. It's just a feeling. I don't know. Dum dum dum. Dum dum dum. Wait. Ah, my eyes. It's like a love wall. It's a lot of hearts here. Amazing. All right, let's continue. I don't like this. This is why I don't like winter. Exploring makes it 10x times harder. But I'm so grateful that it's so little snow. That I'm absolutely grateful for. I just need to be extra careful because, of course, I'm a solo adventurist, so kind of have to. No, but this place was cool though. Now I just gotta find a way down. Stop being a wooz. Just get down from here. Okay. You're good. Yeah, damn. Ooh, mushrooms. They're quite fresh. Awesome, awesome. More of them. Whoa. Well, hello there. Now on this side. Interesting. All right. What? Oh. Aw. What in the cultivation is this? Why is there... What? Nah. Why is there... Okay. Oh my god. It's above the room we just were in, down there. Let's see if we can find a clue of what this is. This looks like ceramic, smashed something. Trying to look for clues of what this place could be used for. Or what the fuck it's... Nah. This makes zero sense. This is just creepy, honestly. If people gather in a place like this just looks straight up creepy. I'm not gonna lie. Having this as a classroom? Nope. Not doing that. Oops. CP2. I don't know what that is. That's interesting. That's interesting for sure. Let's see if there's something more cool here. I saw a sign over here. It might not be. It might be that that was the main attraction here. Is this cool, creepy thing though? It just says Trandumskogen fredet. I can't translate everything for you guys. Sometimes you just gotta guess. Question of today though. Do you think this place is haunted? Do you think it's worth coming back here during night time to see if it's haunted? This channel wasn't originally gonna touch into haunted shit. Like honestly, it wasn't supposed to touch into it, but I rambled across something that I shouldn't have fucked with, I guess. So now something is drawing me in that direction. I was supposed to do vlogging. Just normal vlogging. But something is dragging me more to making exploration videos and making that type of content, and also haunted for some reason. And if there's one thing I've learned, that is, I should not fight the universe. I don't believe in God. Maybe I should have. I don't believe in much things. I just exist, you know? I'm not such huge of supernatural, like ghosts and stuff like that. I don't believe in it. But there's some things that you can't explain. And for someone that doesn't believe in it, it's very intriguing, some of the aspects of it, if you know what I mean. Here as well. Oh, this has a creepy thing attached. It's creepy. Definitely put it back. Number 1. Well, what happened to the 8 other people? Where is that woodpecker? I can hear you pecking around. Oh, there you are. I see you. I don't know if you guys can see them. Anyway. Okay, if that was number 1. There's actually people here. Okay, if that was number 1, what is this? $14 with another creepy course. A cross. Looks like something is making these. There you go. Looks like someone is making those. A wee bit creepy, isn't it? Oh shit, I almost broke it. No, that's bad luck. That's definitely bad luck. Okay, we're moving on. Moving on. Don't need to stay there. Nobody saw nothing. If nobody can see it, you know, it never happened. Okay, so I could swear that I saw people. But the bad thing of having this as an entrance is that you can literally see so far down there. You can see if there's more people down there. There's literally nothing. Where did those people go? It was 2. I swear I saw 2. And it's only my track. There's literally just my tracks here. And I can prove it. Like, look at this. These are my tracks. Not gonna think more about that. Moving on, what is this? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Stridsvognsskytebane. So this is where they had tanks and they practice shooting. That's actually awesome. Not awesome like that though. Don't get me wrong. But as soon as I go to somewhere that has historically been traumatizing for some people, you feel the energy vibe just being off. It's like it sits in the ground. I am a little bit more sensitive to stuff like that as well though. Oh, great name, Death Road. That's creepy. Blindfolded? Oh, most knew they were gonna be shot, but they were blindfolded. They can see the open grave that awaited them. That's creepy. That's something we can't even comprehend or try to understand today. Like standing on top and there's like a digged grave in front of you. You just know that you're gonna be executed. Like that we're a generation that is not gonna comprehend anything of that whatsoever. Let's go a little bit on this death road. It's not supposed to. I see there's people that have gone here probably a couple of days ago. Every time when I walk somewhere that is a traumatized place, I get this almost like a feeling of pressure, especially around here, like pressure. There's definitely something we can't explain. But I don't know enough about it, but maybe we should tap into that, figure out what it is. God dag. Jeg må jo se på den plassen da. So I'm back at the car. I had to turn my camera off there because there was people here, a lovely couple, and I just talked with them for a second. Interesting times we live in right now, and yeah, when you are on a war site like this, that is all history about the Second War. Yeah, you are gonna meet some people that wants to talk about today's situation and stuff like that, but I'm vague there. So I don't want to be talking politics or anything on my channel, so I turn off my camera. So yeah, I'm not gonna go further into that, but that's the reason. So now I think that is it. I think we did what we did, and I'm in desperate need of food. So we need to see if there's some place we can eat. Hopefully a drive-thru, maybe a McDonald's or something. I'm gonna search it up. So I just found a McDonald's, but it's I've no idea where I am. Never been here before. Such a weird place to have a McDonald's in though. If I'm gonna be honest, it's such a weird place. Hei, kunne jeg fått 2 cheeseburgere?
Cheeseburger, ja.
Og så 4 nuggets.
4 nuggets?
Ja.
Ja.
Og så sånn chili... Nei, sweet and sour sauce.
Sweet and sour, ja. Det var det hele?
Det tror jeg, ja.
Ja, bare så frem i neste takk.
Tusen takk. It's a cheat day. Usually I'll stay on track with my diet, but not my diet. It's just, this is fast food. I'm not a big fan of fast food. I just think that it might be in the 5 years that I've actually been working as a chef, speaking here, but I genuinely believe that food you make yourself tastes way better than these things. But I'm hungry.
The 2 cheese or nuggets?
Yeah, or sweet and sour sauce.
Yeah.
Just like. So I just got back home. It was a little bit chilly outside, I'm not gonna lie. But we're back home, so that's good. So the place we actually visited is like a memorial site or a place for World War II, where the Germans were occupying Norway. So 194 people died on that site, and it's just a remarkable story behind it. Anyway, I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, go ahead and click that like button and make sure to subscribe because it really helps me out. And if you like this type of video, let me know in the comment section so I can actually proceed this direction, because I really like exploring. It is some fun to it, but it's scary. It is a little bit scary, and especially if you go into places where you know there's like a trauma history that has happened in the ground and around it. Is a little bit like exciting. But yeah, definitely let me know if you want more of this content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!